Hi, I'm Akhil Binoy, and this is my hack chef for Born Hack Diet. So, chef can create recipes using the ingredients we have in our hand. So, let's go for the demo of hack chef right now. So, suppose if I have carrots, mayonnaise, mayo, bread, and cornflakes. So, let's see what's the dish that the recipe that chef is gonna suggest us. So, as you can see, the chef starts to give us the recipe, and the name of the dish is crunchy carrot sandwich. And yeah, as you can see over here, it's providing us the ingredients and as well as the instructions to how to make the dish as well. Yeah, so that's how chef works, and that's all from my side. Thank you.